From across Arizona, volunteers, supplies, equipment, and helicopters are all in Texas tonight, and all of them answering the call to save people and their pets, often stranded in their own homes, still desperate for help. ABC 15's Melissa Blasius shares their view from the middle of the disaster.
From the desert to the deluge.
It's pretty overwhelming, the size of the area that is affected.
Captain Bradley Johnston and the Phoenix Fire Department's rescue team in Symington, Texas, west of Houston with their boats.
We'll yell out to folks, we'll go to the doors, we'll knock on the doors.
5 days after the hurricane hit, people are still stranded in their homes, still with 5 to 6 feet of water.
So after several days of having no power, no running water, no working toilets and all the things that make us comfortable, they decided they wanted to come out.
120 miles to the east in Beaumont, a fleet of helicopters lift people to safety. Alexander Zamora in a Black Hawk deployed from Tucson with the Border Patrol.
Their safety zones become flooded as well, so then we're landing and transporting more people. We're easily over 300.
Arizona's heroes say they're struck by the kindness they've found, being offered food and places to sleep.
So the atmosphere and the attitude of the folks that are most affected has just been amazing.
Melissa Blasius, ABC 15, Arizona.